Hi, I'm Maurice Dixon. We'd like to give you a brief look at EDIC's Polaris line of carpet extractors. You might think that the Polaris is a conventional carpet extractor, but we're going to show you why we believe that the Polaris is an unconventional conventional carpet extractor. The Polaris comes in 4 sizes: 5, 7, 8, and 12 gallons. You can choose the model that fits your needs and your budget. First, let's look at the 8 and 12 gallon sizes. With both of these, you get a 19-inch cleaning path, which reduces the number of passes across the carpet that you will have to make. The side extension allows you to clean right up to the baseboard. The operator handle adjusts to different heights and to a full upright position for compact storage. You can monitor the recovered dirty solution through the clear lid. Dual lift-off recovery buckets allow for easy emptying. 2 screws give you easy access to the motor compartment. The powerful dual vacuum motors maximize soil and solution recovery, ensuring fast drying time. Notice the easy access to the pump and the brush drive motors. The Supernova and the Polaris both have an exclusive patented intercooler to keep all of these components cool, ensuring longer life. The brush turns 2,100 times a minute for deep, thorough cleaning. Look at the patented self-adjusting, self-leveling brush. With fully sealed stainless steel bearings, this setup allows you to clean professionally on all pile heights. No adjustment necessary. It's easier to show you this self-adjusting, self-leveling brush when it is off the machine. The patented 4-wheel design offers 2 back wheels for transport and stair climbing, and the front wheels offer you excellent balance and a much tighter turning radius, even when full of solution. If your cleaning jobs are smaller, the 5 and 7 gallon Polaris is made for you. With a 25-foot spray wand, you can pre-spray some or all of the areas you plan on extracting. You can pre-spray spot and stains. Then let your cleaning solution do the work. Connect EDIC's power wand and clean in offices, under desks, and other congested areas. Connect the upholstery tool and clean upholstered furniture, steps, and fabric-covered office partitions. A complete line of EDIC accessories is available for all sizes of the Polaris. Well, there you have it, the Polaris line of carpet extractors by EDIC, a size to fit everyone's needs. And like all of EDIC's products, engineered with you in mind. For a live demonstration, just contact your EDIC representative or call toll-free 1-800-338-EDIC. Thanks for watching. Be sure and ask for our catalog, which shows our complete line of innovative carpet, upholstery, and floor care products.